Kaizer Chiefs have just announced the signing of Ronaldo Lina as a free agent from Sekhukhune United. This is our second signing of the season. Uzokhumbula ukuthi we have just announced uThabiso Moloisane from Stellenbosch naye obe yi-free agent. We have lots of things to talk about. Bontle Molefe, other goalkeepers, and also we have to talk about the interest of Banze and also Mahlambi. Bafethu, let's just jump straight into it together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakonsistent Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa be. I am your host Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from Egret and Bafethu namhlanje ngiphathele zona zishisa be. So there are many movements enzakalayo lapha kwiKaizer Chiefs eNaturena, many movements, many players are going out and many players are coming in at Kaizer Chiefs. So if you want more updates on Kaizer Chiefs, daily updates, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to comment on this video and make sure you like this video. Hit the bell notification icon so you won't miss any videos that I upload for the future, because there are many things to come. As you know ukuthi iwindi lisanda ukuvula, so ziningi izinto esazovela nge-Kaizer Chiefs. But as for today, Kaizer Chiefs officially announced Ronaldo Lina, whom we've been talking about kule channel ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs made a mistake on extending someone's contract, but signing Ronaldo Lina could be a big opportunity for Kaizer Chiefs. As we know, with Kaizer Chiefs, ayiwayeki ama-free agents. Ayiwayeki. Why free agent siyakuthatha? So but with this one I'm happy that these two free agents we've signed so far, I am so happy. Another news that we got from the sources, they are not verified yet, ukuthi uBotle Molefe naye bamnikeza i-contract extension. So angazi ukuthi the details on the contract, how many years, or it's just a 1 year contract extension. But Botle Molefe is another goalkeeper of Kaizer Chiefs who's just signed his contract extension. As we all know, Bruce Vuma also signed his contract extension. So hey bafethu, we have so many goalkeepers, no goalkeeper baningi, and I don't know what we're going to do with them. There are so many goalkeepers bafethu. If you know, we have Brandon Peterson, we have Uvuma, we have Umolefe, we have Ntware, we have Ulina, and singayikhohlwa intwana uTakalani Mazambe. Although yena he is playing more with academy, but he's also there. So Bafes, I don't know what we will do with so many goalkeepers. They can be possible moves for maybe Ntware. Yeah, maybe Ntware may go. And there have been rumors circulating lapha ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, social media, saying Brandon Peterson attracts interest from lots of clubs outside of the country. So maybe Peterson might go. I'm not saying he's going, but maybe he might go. And after the signing of Ronaldo Lina, it might be possible ukuthi Peterson and Fiacre Ntware may leave Kaizer Chiefs. That will leave us with Uvuma, Ulina no Molefe. This is a balanced goalkeepers, not the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 goalkeepers we have right now. I wouldn't want Peterson to move away from Kaizer Chiefs, but if it has to be him, and if eya kwi-club clean, i-club ezomdlalisa, i-club who will pay for him, because he must be costing much money due to his last season performance. But I'm not saying he's going, but it can be, it can happen. There are lots of possibilities. ukuthi, Brandon Peterson might leave Kaizer Chiefs and also Fia Krintwari. But I'm still blaming the management for extending Bruce Vuma's contracts because AmaZulu were willing ukuthi emthathe ezomdlalisa because AmaZulu are also looking for a goalkeeper because they have been on a Ronaldo Lina's case. And also Orlando Pirates abefuna ukumsayina uRonaldo Lina, but Kaizer Chiefs ended up signing him. I bafethu, we can move away from our goalkeeper and talk about something else. Kaizer Chiefs are showing huge interest on these following players. Before I mention the players that Kaizer Chiefs are interested in, I want you to make sure ukuthi ubukela le video, you are subscribed, and also you have liked the video bafethu. Kuyangisiza kakhulu to boost my channel. Yeah. So reportedly, Kaizer Chiefs are interested on Ibrahim Banse. Ibrahim Banse, who's playing at Marumo Gallants, and also Umahlambi. Umahlambi, who's playing on TS Galaxy. Let's start with Ibrahim Banse. Banse is a central midfielder or defensive midfielder. He plays at Marumo Gallants. He's 25 years old. He's from Burkina Faso. So Kaizer Chiefs have been exploring lapha eswini. They wanna sign someone ozodlala eswini, and I'm not sure why, because we have so many players abadlala eswini. We have Abomthetho, we have Ndlovu, we have Cele, we have Ngobo, we have so many players abadlala eswini. But it looked like Kaizer Chiefs are not satisfied, but they want to sign another player who will play eswini. I'm not sure ukuthi they will sell, they will let one of the midfielders go, but it looked like kungenzeka lokho. Kaizer Chiefs might just let go of one midfielder lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs. As I told you bafethu, uBen Yusuf, no, Cedric Kaze will come for Kaizer Chiefs players. I'm telling you, they have been cleaning their teams. Durban City have released so many players. Sekhukhune have released so many players. So Abokazi, no. Khalid Ben Yusuf will come for Kaizer Chiefs players that they know that they are not getting enough time and that they had a rough season. So you may never know. Any player can go at any time. That's why Kaizer Chiefs are exploring abadlali like Abo Banse, Omofet, and also you can put ubalentwana edlala ku-Azam. Leya kade i-Kaizer Chiefs imfuna yeah, ngizomkhumbula yena lowo mjitha. You can put him at the list of Kaizer Chiefs players wanted by Kaizer Chiefs. Another player I wanted to talk about is Mahlambi. Mahlambi is a left winger from TS Galaxy. We all know what Kaizer Chiefs wanna sign a left winger because we only have Upule Modi. Yeah, it's only Pule Modi who is a natural left winger lapha Kaizer Chiefs. So Kaizer Chiefs really wanna sign a left winger because they showed their interest on Keleto Mahwala, but Keleto Mahwala is looking like he will be joining the likes of Simba. Yeah, those teams from Tanzania, and yeah. So Mahlambi is another option for Kaizer Chiefs that they might go for. He's 21 years old. Last season he banged 7 goals and 2 assists. You have to underline that. While our left winger Pule Modi scored how many goals? 2. I think it was 2 goals for Pule Modi, if not 1. But Keleto Mahlambi is 21 years old, scored 7 goals and 2 assists in 29 appearances. As we all, I saw some articles online saying that CS Galaxy president is in trouble, so he will need to sell some players to pay off his debt, lots of money. But I think that's why Kaizer Chiefs engena khona-ke and take this guy if they really want him. I don't know much about him, but I know what he can score 7 goals. If you can put that together with our strikers and a right winger, we can have so many goals. So I think they must go for him if they want him. But still, you have Opili. You can go after Opili. You will be guaranteed a quality players for so many years. Bafethu, that's all I had for you today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure you comment down below ngitshela ukuthi ucabangani with this news ebenginiphasele zona, the interest of Kaizer Chiefs on Banse and also Umahlambe. And what do you think Kaizer Chiefs will do with so many goalkeepers? Will Peterson leave Kaizer Chiefs and Fia Krintware? Make sure you comment down below ngitshela ukuthi what do you really think will happen? Thank you, Buffett, for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko.